Vlogging or simply video blogging today is very popular. Even celebrities do it. They share their videos on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Para ito sa mga fans nila at mapanood sila online, anytime, anywhere. Now, if you want to start your own vlogging, you need a good camera. So on my hand right now is the new FUJIFILM X-A7. We are going to unbox this new camera from Fujifilm. Hey guys, this is Bam of Adobo Tech. So before we start, please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. Just click on the subscribe button down below and also visit my website, which is www.adobotech.net. So itong Fujifilm X-A7 camera is already available in the market. Itong hawak ko ngayon is yung silver with 1545mm kit. I guess it's time to open up the box. This one looks like, so ito yung camera strap. Looks nice. Then next you have some paper materials, and so it comes with the standard 1-year warranty like there. So lahat ng Fujifilm camera comes with the standard 1-year warranty. So pag bumili kayo, make sure you fill up all the details here and submit it to Fujifilm Philippines, or simply bigay nyo na lang ito doon sa pinagbilhan nyo na store. Okay, so very important guys. Huwag kalimutan. Okay, so ito yung lens. Ito yung 1545mm lens. The body looks like made of plastic. So you have the protective lens. Kailangan nyo to, so make sure huwag nyo iwawala yon. And of course yung connector ng lens to the camera. Okay. The Fujifilm X-A7 uses the standard NPW126S battery, which is good kasi it's readily available in the market at madali na lang bumili pag kailangan mo ng extra battery. Okay, so meron din siyang Type-C cable. It's for charging and data transfer. So good thing Fujifilm now uses standard Type-C on all of their new camera. Okay. Oh, look at this. This is nice. It's a 2.5mm adapter. This is good. This can be used on the microphone. So we'll talk about this in a while. Here's the Fujifilm X-A7 camera. It feels nice. Yung silver and black color combination looks great, but the body seems to be made of plastic. Okay. Before we talk about the new Fujifilm X-A7 camera, let me put on the lens. Okay. Like so. All right, nice. Then I'll just install the battery. Installing the battery is easy. You just follow the orange mark here with the battery latch over here. So, and just like that, and install. Siyempre, kailangan mo rin ng SD card. Dapat meron ka. So, just put it right beside the battery and that's it. Now, pwede mo nang gamitin yung Fujifilm X-A7 camera. At the top are yung control dials here. And this one is the power button na medyo iba siya compared with other Fujifilm camera. Tulad nung Fujifilm X-T30. Yung power switch niya is right there. Meron din siyang hot shoe para sa flash and other accessories. Meron din siyang built-in flash. So, ito yung switch. And it pops up like that. Okay, to just retract it back like that. One more time. Cool. Ito naman yung tabi ng switch ng flash is yung 2.5 millimeter microphone port. Itong included na adapter, dito na siya gagamitin. The other end, you can plug in your 3.5 millimeter jack para sa microphone. Okay, so it's nice that Fujifilm included this. Ngayon, hindi ka na mahirapang maghanap pa kasi most of the microphone jack comes with 3.5 millimeter. You can use yung 3.5 inch LCD. And syempre, pwede rin siyang ibalik like so. It's nice. It's the first X series to feature this kind of LCD. Sana lahat ng Fujifilm camera meron ito. Well, kasi it's a cool feature. Since meron siyang touchscreen, andito rin yung smart menu para madaling i-set up on how you want the camera to perform. Yung menus are easy to use and responsive yung touch function. Like, I wanna change yung aspect ratio. Gusto ko siyang 16:9, 1:1, 4:3, or 3:2. So, kung gusto ko naman change yung shooting method, I could simply use the touchscreen to choose. Then, meron siya yung white balance. So, kung gusto mo ng custom or auto, pwede rin. This camera sports a 24 megapixel APS-C sensor. So, it features a face detection pixel to enhance AF speed and accuracy. Yung AF tracking is fast kahit na moving subject at yung face and eye detection is also quick to lock. It's capable of video recording at 30 frames per second at pag full HD naman, at HD, pwede naman siya up to 60 frames per second. Okay, so let's check. On the menu, we'll just go to the... Okay, so video settings, you can see 4K 30 frames per second. Meron din siyang full HD at 60 frames per second, HD at 60 frames per second. For connectivity naman, let's check. Okay, so connection setting, meron siyang Bluetooth and wireless. Pwede mong i-download yung Fujifilm Camera Remote app. It supports both iOS and Android platform. First impression ng camera. So this camera is compact and light. It weighs around 455 grams. I like yung 24 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. It's great in taking picture. Yung face and eye detection AF is quick. Yung 4K video recording, it's a big factor for this kind of camera. And syempre, yung 3.5-inch touchscreen. No, pwede mo siyang rotate at now meron ka ng vlogging camera. Hindi lang yon. Syempre, the Fujifilm X-A7 has this Type-C connector. You can charge yung camera na to. Kung meron kang power bank, you can easily charge the Fujifilm X-A7 and continue shooting anytime you want. So here are some of the samples of the pictures I took using this camera at the ESGS 2019. Okay, so I also have some videos. So here's the video. As you can see, you can preview and you can watch yung video na ni-record mo easily. And yung audio niya is actually nice. That's it. This is the new Fujifilm X-A7 camera. Again, this is Bam of Adobo Tech. Thank you for watching. Now back to work.